Alright guys, I'm back and this is Robi 2, and as you can see here, this is the seller that I got from on eBay, so hopefully everything is going to be good, and if it is, I will definitely let them know with positive comments and so on and so forth. I'm going to release the beast from the package and we'll see what we got here. Of course, everything is in Japanese and I don't speak enough of it to know what to do, but we'll try our best. And looks like it's a kit, so it needs to be assembled from scratch. As far as I can see, everything is okay. It is very tiny and comes with Sony batteries, and I do love Sony and most Japanese products. I do highly favor them, just like I favor Toyota over lots of other car companies. Thanks for watching, and in the next one I will get into this more.